Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to simply open control panel, and once we are here, we need to change view by as to category. If you selected large icons, then change it to category. Then go to uninstall a program from program section and select the Microsoft Visual C++ and click on change and click on repair. Select S. We need to wait for some time to complete the process, and the setup is successful. Now close the window, go to services, simply go to search bar and type services here and click here to open it. Once we're here, we need to find out the Windows X installer, so just keep scrolling down and you will get the Windows installer. Right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as automatic and click on start. So it's already running, so you need to start the service and click on apply and then OK. Once done, close the window, go to search bar, type your task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out system32 folder, open it, and again find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box, this is very important. This will create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Again, we need to close all the background windows and we need to focus on the screen. Now type here sfc /. Before this command, we need to type in gp update, okay, and hit enter. So this command will take few seconds to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and the computer policy update has completed successfully. Now type in sfc / scan now, hit enter. So this command will take a lot of time, depends upon your computer configuration. We need to complete this up to the 100%. So this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. You need to complete the process. After that, simply exit the command prompt window and restart your system, and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.